Hi Glenn, here's your system here. So we've got the ME1616 belt reduction, the 2-to-1 belt reduction. That's the Modanji ME1616 motor. So some of the features of the belt reduction are these stainless steel bearings, 25mm shaft with a keyway on both ends. These are Vader's engine mounts. The mounting can be adjusted broadly with these bolts here. These brackets can move up and down, and then you can fine adjust with these mounts. There's a finger guard, so you can't put your hands in the belt. It's a 8M belt, and with a 2-to-1 ratio. That's a 30mm belt. This is the tensioning rod. The controller fits into this wall box, so there's 4 screws on the side. You can take them off, and inside is the motor controller and the DC contactor. The controller fits onto a cooling plate. So the same cooling circuit will cool the controller as well as the motor. The system's connected to these two 48-volt 100 amp hour batteries, and they are also connected into this display. So the controls are forward. You'd turn the key ignition to turn the motor controller on. Now you have a forward, neutral, reverse switch. You can see it updates on the screen. And then for regenerative braking, you have low, medium, and high. This adjusts the amount of braking torque that the motor applies. So if it gets overcome, it will generate back into the battery. We'll demonstrate that later. So put it into forward and then adjust the dial. Right now, this motor here is operating as a load, so you can think of this as the propeller. This is driving. You can see we're drawing 3 amps from the batteries, traveling at 500 RPM. That's the motor speed, so that would be 250 RPM at the prop. Batteries are 99% charged, and it's doing 0.2 kilowatts or 200 watts. If you can actually log by pressing this button. You can see what individually each battery is doing, and you could select which battery, and then that pulls up more specific information like all the cell voltages, number of discharge cycles, and other information. Press that button to go back home.